Star Wars and Harry Potter actor Paul Grant passed away at age 56 after collapsing outside King's Cross Station in North London. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. The actor who appeared in Star Wars and Harry Potter film, Paul Grant, has passed away at age 56 years old. He was found collapsed outside King's Cross Station in London last Thursday afternoon. The 56-year-old actor's daughter Sophia Jane Grant confirmed his passing to news reporters. "I'm heartbroken. No girl deserved their dad to be taken away. He was so well known and loved for his work. He's gone too soon," his daughter said in a statement. Mr. Grant was pronounced dead about 3:49 a.m. last Thursday, but he had not been declared brain dead before that following his collapsing. As well as Star Wars and Harry Potter, the 4 feet 4 inches actor also appeared in the 1988 film Willa and the Cult classic alongside David Bowie in 1986. London ambulance spokesperson said that we were called at around 2:08 p.m. on Thursday, March 16, of a report of an incident at a train station. "We sent an ambulance crew and a medic in response cars. We treated a man at the scene and took him to hospital as a priority." Mr. Grant is survived by his girlfriend Maria, his 2 daughters and 1 son, as well as his stepchildren and grandchildren. We here at Links 007 TV just want to take this opportunity just to offer our sincere condolences to his family and friends. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Thanks for watching.